Students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to continue chapter number 5, playing with numbers of class 8th mathematics. Our next topic is symbols and operations. Here you can see one example is given here, that is 20 200 rectangle 100 equals to 2. So here you just have to identify in the place of this symbol which operation will takes place. You have to replace this symbol by operations. What are the operations? That are addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. So you have to replace the symbols by the operations. Now we will solve exercise number 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following. First, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus and 20. Now here first we will find out 1 plus 20. So what is 1 plus 20? It is 21. Now we will find out 2 plus 19. So 2 plus 19 will be again 21. You can find 3 plus 18 also. It will also come 21. Now there are 20 numbers. How 20 number? 1 to 20. How many numbers? 20 numbers. There are 20 numbers. So we can make 10 pairs. 20. If we have 20 numbers, so we can make 10 pairs. Okay. So whose sum will be 21. So 10 pairs whose sum is 21. So we have to multiply them 10 into 21. So answer will be 210. So the sum of 1 plus up to 20 will be 210. Now we will see question number 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 50. Now here again we will solve in the same manner. 1 plus 50, what will be? 1. 2 plus 50, 2 plus 49, we will get 51. Now there are 50 numbers, so we can make pairs of 25 numbers whose sum is 51. The sum already calculated from here. Now we can easily multiply 25 and 51. We will get our answer 1275. This is our answer. We will solve question number 3, that is this one, 7 plus 8 plus 9 up to 73. So here first we will see how many numbers are there, because it's not clear. Here it started from 1, so it's very clear that there are 50 number, 20 number, but here we have to find out. So here 73 minus 6, so 67. So there are total 67 numbers. Okay, so how many numbers we can make the pair? We can make pair of 66, that is 33 pairs. Now we just leave the 73 numbers. 73 number we leave, and 7 plus 72 we will get 79. 8 plus 71 we will get 79. Now the total the sum of will be what? 33 into 7 plus the remaining number 73. When you will 2680 will be our answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve 4th and 5th question. Now question number 2. If 9 box 3 equals to 27, 8 box 10 equals to 80, find the value of the following. Now here you can see 9 box 3 to 27. As we know, when you will put here addition sign, you will get here 12. This one is not applicable in this. Now subtraction is also, when you subtract them you will get 6. Now multiplication, when you will use multiplication, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so we will use multiplication. So here the box denote multiplication. Box stands for multiplication. Here also 8 multiplied 10, 8, 80. So the box stands for multiplication. So first question, minus 7 multiply, in the place of that box you have to mention multiply 10. What will be the answer? Minus 70. Now 15, again multiply 5, 15 5s are 75. Now third question, 100 multiplied 2, so 200. Now third one, 600 into 6, so 3600 will be the answer. Now question number third, if 6 triangle 5 equals to 1 and 100 triangle 72 equals to 28, find the value of the following. Okay, here 6 triangle 5 equals to 1, so when you will use subtraction sign you will get 1. Okay, here in second one also you can check 100 minus 72, so 28, means here the triangle stands for subtraction. Now here first question, 60 minus 43, answer will be 17. Now minus 1001 minus 89, so minus 1090. Now third one, 165 minus 48 equals to 117. Now 203 minus 57, 146 will be the answer. Now question number 4, if 6 oval 2 equals to 3 and 6 box 4 equals to 10, find value of the following. Here you have to see, in place of oval which operation we can use. 6 divide by 2 you will get 3, and here 6 plus 4 equals to 10, means the oval stands for division and the box stands for addition. So now in the question, what is the question? 10 oval, in place of oval you have to write division, 5 plus 7. Now you have to solve this. First you have to divide them. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7 equals to 9, 9 will be our answer. Now second one, 18 plus 8 divide 4. Now first we will divide this. 18 plus 2 equals to 20, this one. Now third question, 7 plus 9 divide 3. First we will divide, so 7 plus 3 equals to 10 will be the answer. So like this you have to solve. Question number 5, a shepherd had 3 daughters to whom he wanted to gift his sheep. He wanted his eldest to have half the sheep, his second daughter to have 1 by 3, and his youngest daughter to have 1 by 8 of the sheep. But there was a problem, as there were 23 sheep. A wise man of the village solved this problem. How? So the solution is, as there are 23 sheep, so the shepherd can't distribute the sheep. So a wise man suggested that he should consider that he had 24 sheep. So 24, he just considered 24 sheep. Now we can easily calculate 1 by 2 of 24, that is 12. Now second daughter 1/3, so 1/3, 24 by 3, 8, so 12, 8. Now 1a, 8, 24 by 8, 3 will be the answer. So like this, his wise man will solve problem. Now question number 6, if potatoes take 8 minutes to be fully boiled, how long will 4 potatoes take? If 2 potatoes take 8 minutes to boil, so if we boil 4 potatoes, they will also take 8 minutes, as they are boiling together. Okay, means we when we use 2 potatoes, it take 8 minutes, and when we'll use 4 potatoes it will also take 8 minutes because we boiled them together, that's why. Now question number 7, a jungle man had a tiger and a goat. He took the animal and a bundle of grass on his journey. On the way he came across a stream. There was a boat which he could use, but it would carry only him and one more thing. How would he cross it, keeping the tiger, goat and grass? So now tiger, goat and grass. So first he will take the goat. First he will take the goat here. Now he will leave the other side and come back and take the tiger there. Now the goat on the other side, they will bring the goat. Okay, he will bring back the goat. Now he will leave the goat here only and he will take the grass. Now there is tiger and grass. Now on the third round he will come back and he will take the goat. So like this he would cross it. If now question number 8, if tan triangle 6 equals to 4 and tan oval 2 equals to 5, tan box 2 equals to 12 and tan circle 2 equals to 20, make 20 expressions in one or more symbols and ask your friends to find their value. This is the activity questions which you can solve with your friends. What you have to do, I already mentioned here which symbol used for which operations. That triangle used for subtraction, oval used for division, and box square equals to addition, and circle represent multiplication. So what you have to do, one student have to make the 20 equations, and he have to tell his friend to find their values. Here we have completed chapter number 5. Now we will start chapter number 6 in the next video. Till that you have to prepare and solve all the questions. Thank you and have a nice day.